Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Pong Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you a very healthy, delicious beetroot salad. Beetroot has so many benefits and this is very simple and easy recipe. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get more notifications. For the beetroot salad, here I have taken one small size beetroot. I have already boiled it and I have cut it into very small pieces, as you can see. And one small size garlic cloves. I'll roast it. And I have taken little bit jalapeno. See, this size of jalapeno. I have taken half-inch jalapeno. You can also use green chili if you want to. And I have taken half cup of chickpeas or chole, boiled chickpeas. I have boiled it with half teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup coriander leaves, 1/4 cup green bell pepper, and we need fresh lime juice, 1/4 cup yellow bell pepper, 1/4 cup chopped red onion, 1 teaspoon roasted peanut, 1 teaspoon ginger juice, fresh ginger juice, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, 2 teaspoon pumpkin seeds, 2 teaspoon sunflower seeds, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds and 10 to 12 pieces of walnut. And we need red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt and olive oil. So let's get started. Let's heat up the pan, keep it on medium. We will do dry roast all the seeds one by one. Pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. Roast them for only 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, it's done. Now we'll roast the sesame seeds. Now I am adding very little olive oil, about half teaspoon, because I will roast the walnut. I am trying to make little spicy. And it will make nice flavor. Very little Kashmiri chili powder and salt. That's it. Okay, it's done. Now we will roast the garlic. Garlic is optional. If you don't like garlic, you can skip it. Okay, turn off the flame. Everything is ready now, so let's make the salad. Take a mixing bowl. I am taking boiled chickpeas first, or chole, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, onion, chopped coriander leaves, jalapeno, boiled beetroots, roasted garlic, ginger juice, lime juice, chaat masala, roasted peanuts, roasted pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, roasted walnut, and salt to taste. I have already added half teaspoon salt in the chickpeas. Now mix it very well. This is very healthy salad. You can eat every day if you want to. I love this salad. And as I told you, beetroot has so many benefits. Okay, now we will add about 1 teaspoon olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. Mix it again. With these ingredients, I am making this salad for 2 people. Our beetroot salad is ready to serve. Okay, let's serve it. If you like beetroot, I must say, you will love this salad. This is delicious and easy to make. If you like this recipe, try to make it and please let me know in the comment section below how you like it. Now sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to taste it. It's yummy. Wow. Our delicious beetroot salad is ready. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like this recipe. See you next time. Take care. Bye.